this is Mamta. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to recreate this makeup look inspired by Barsha Raut from her reception look. I really like that look. She looks so beautiful, stunning, and I really like her cute chubby face. And recently they uploaded a video on their YouTube channel called Sansa. उहाँहरुको introduction video पनि एकदमै राम्रो छ अनि बिहेको सबै मोमेन्टहरु एकै ठाउँमा कम्पाइल गरेर राखेको पनि कस्तो राम्रो छ। त्यही भएर चाहिँ मलाई उहाँको मेकअप लुक चाहिँ एकदमै रिक्रिएट गर्न मन लाग्यो. So here we go. So if you guys want to know how I recreate this look, then please keep on watching. So I already told you guys I'm going to recreate this look inspired by Barsha Raut from her reception, and I think she looked really beautiful, stunning. Actually, I really like her acting plus her chubby face. She looks so cute. So without any further ado, let's get started. So today I'm going to start with my eyes. So first I'm going to do my eyebrow and then I'm going to do my eye makeup. So eye makeup को लागि चाहिँ उहाँले चाहिँ क्रिस कलर चाहिँ रेड कलर युज गर्नु भएको छ अनि त्यसपछि चाहिँ ब्ल्याक स्मोकी आई बनाउनु भएको छ अनि त्यसमा चाहिँ हाफ कट क्रिस गरेको छ. I think it's a golden half cut crease and liner and of course falsies. So let's do it. So for the brows I'm going to use this Benefit styler, brow styler. चाहिँ माथि चाहिँ यस्तो पेन्सिल छ अनि यसको चाहिँ पाउडर पनि छ. You can use it like natural or precise sharp brow pani use create garna sakनुहुन्छ यो brow ले. So today I'm going to use the powder first and I'm going to wow, so pigmented. Okay, so now I'm going to blend it. So now to give that clean and sharp look, I'm going to use this pencil and I'm going to line a little bit like this. So for the eyeshadow, I'm going to take this Gravity Texture eyeshadow palette and I'm going to take this color Man Eater for my transition color. Just like her, I'm going to use this red color, not really red, it's kind of ruby red, and try to create that fake crease line just like her. Okay, blending is key. You have to blend it really well. If it's a bright color, then it's must. So for my outer corner, I'm going to take this color from the same eyeshadow palette. So जहिले पनि म पहिला चाहिँ एकदमै लाइट कलर्स बाट स्टार्ट गर्छु. अब यदि मैले स्मोकी आईहरु गर्नु पर्यो भने चाहिँ पहिला चाहिँ म ब्राउन कलर बाट स्टार्ट गर्छु अनि त्यसपछि लास्टमा गएर होला ब्ल्याक कलर युज गर्छु किनभने मलाई यस्तो गर्यो भने ब्लेन्ड गर्न एकदमै सजिलो हुन्छ. Barsha Raut को आई मेकअपमा हल्का यो ब्ल्याक कलर पनि यसरी ड्र्याग गरेको छ, त्यही भएर मैले पनि यसरी ड्र्याग गर्छु हल्का. So next I'm going to take this black color from the same eyeshadow palette and deepen up my outer corners. एकदमै थोरै मात्रै लिन्छु, त्यसपछि चाहिँ यसरी डार्क बनाउँछु. धेरै लियो भने ड्याप गरे भने ब्लेन्ड गर्न गाह्रो हुन्छ, त्यही भएर चाहिँ पहिला थोरै लिने अनि बिस्तारै ब्लेन्ड गर्ने. So once you're happy with the blending, I'm going to take same transition color and blend 3 color together so that it looks more smooth. So next step is cut crease. So for the cut crease, I'm going to take Benefit concealer and I'm going to take small shaded brows from Morphe and I'm going to cut my crease and just like this. So अहिले चाहिँ Barsha Raut र Barsha Raut को husband को चाहिँ एउटा YouTube channel छ Sansa भनेर. I really like their videos है, कस्तो राम्रो देख्छ. कसले हेरेछ त्यो भिडियो एकदम हानी. Again we need to set here as well. यसरी सेट गर्नुपर्छ मजाले कन्सिलर ठाउँमा बसेछ भने. So again I'm going to take that brown color and I'm going to blend right here so that it doesn't look harsh. आजकल नेपाली मुभीहरु पनि क्या दामी दामी भइसकेछ कस्तो म्युजिक भिडियोहरु पनि कस्तो राम्रो राम्रो निस्केको छ आजकल नेपाली मुभीले एकदमै धेरै प्रगति गरेछ साथीहरु लेट्स सपोर्ट आवर नेपाली मुभी इन्डस्ट्रीलाई So for my lip color, I'm going to take this golden shade right here. यो चाहिँ मेरो एकदमै फेभरेट शेड हो गोल्ड खालकोमा चाहिँ यो कस्तो अर्कै खालको गोल्ड छ के कस्तो नेचुरल खालको गोल्ड छ सो आई रियली लाइक दिस सो अब चाहिँ म हल्का प्रेस ग्लिटर थप्छु साइबर कलरबाट glitter so now I'm going to line my eye with my Kat Von D tattoo liner मज्जाले तानेको छ so I'm also going to do same So for the lashes, I'm going to take this Pari lashes. I think यो चाहिँ mystery भन्ने सेट हो तर यहाँ लेखेकै छैन है अर्कोमा चाहिँ aura भनेर लेखेको छ that means this is obviously a mystery because I bought two. So let's do our face makeup now. So for the foundation, I'm going to take this Maybelline 24-hour Superstay foundation. It's very good foundation. I think it's a perfect dupe of Huda Beauty Full Filter foundation. I think your foundation is एकदमै सस्तो पनि छ and then you let it full coverage दिन्छ amazing. Huda Beauty is really expensive and if you guys cannot afford Huda Beauty like me, then you always can go with Maybelline. It's amazing. So as usual, I'm going to take my foundation and apply all over my face. And guys, let me know मेरो face कतिको improve भइरहेको छ अस्ति नेपालबाट आइसकेपछि because मेरो face चाहिँ एकदमै ड्यामेज भइसकेको थियो So concealer को लागि चाहिँ मैले Benefit को concealer use गर्दैछु Again I'm going to blend with my brush eye makeup पहिला गर्यो भने चाहिँ मलाई हो यो मन पर्दैन त्यही भएर मैले फेस मेकअप पहिला गर्छु किनकि आज चाहिँ ग्लिटर युज गर्ने भएर चाहिँ first गरेको त अप्ठ्यारो लाग्छ कि मलाई फर्स्ट गरेको So now I'm setting my conceal area actually on my full face setting चाहिँ गर्नुपर्छ है setting गर्न भने चाहिँ मेकअप राम्रोसँग बस्दैन So let's finish our eye makeup first again जस्तै चाहिँ म पहिला चाहिँ brown color लिन्छु हल्का smoke out गर्छु Again I'm going to take black color अनि यसलाई चाहिँ still blend गर्छु Finally I am going to take that same transition color and blend three color together So for the contouring, you guys already know I'm going to take this HOLA bronzer from Benefit and I'm going to contour my face हल्का फेस को किनभने उहाँको फेस हल्का चबी छ सो म धेरै कन्ट्रोल गर्दिन हल्का मात्रै गर्छु र नाक चाहिँ गर्नुपर्छ किनभने मेरो नाक चाहिँ थ्याप्टे छ उहाँको चाहिँ चुचो छ So blusher ko lagi say I'm going to take this Gold Rush blusher from Benefit. So for the highlighter I'm going to take this little cutie Fenty Beauty highlighter. It's on the shade Hustle Baby. Not forgetting my inner corner. I love of course my brow bone. So before lipstick, don't forget to moisturize your lips. So for the lipstick, I'm going to take this Huda Beauty liquid matte lipstick. It's in the same Heartbreaker. So there we go, this is our lipstick. So let's see टीका चाहिँ कस्तो लगाउनु भएको छ. This is एकदमै सिम्पल टीका लगाउनु पर्छ रेड कलरमा. So I hope you guys like this video, and if you did, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and let me know what you guys want to see in the next video. So yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.